Remember the wonders the Lord has done, His mighty hand and His rising sun. Through desert roads He led the way, teaching our hearts to trust and obey. He split the sea and the waters stood. He fed His people with heavenly food. From Egypt's chains to freedom's light, He proved His power, His truth, His might. So keep His words within your soul. Let every command make your spirit whole. Love the Lord with all your heart. Walk His path, never depart. Blessings fall like heaven's rain. Life will rise from dusty plain. Choose the way the Lord has shown. Faith will grow like seeds once sown. Teach these words to the young and old. Write them where every eye may behold. Speak of them at dawn and night. Let His truth be your guiding light. The land will bloom beneath His grace. Fields of promise He will place. But turn away and storms may rise. Clouded hearts and silent skies. So choose today the path of life. Leave behind the way of strife. Blessing waits where faith remains. God will send the gentle rains. Love the Lord with all your heart. Walk His path, never depart. Blessings fall like heaven's rain. Hope will rise again, again.